Good morning, everyone. Welcome today. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper, we have here one regular puzzle. Yeah, today on Thursday, March the 9th, 2023. Yeah, one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, and I've not so good news because um, in today's newspaper we have no additional. Let me show you. No additional. um, what I will do is to solve the yesterday's edition. We have 3 puzzles left in the yesterday's edition, so I will do those puzzles in the evening. Yeah, so sometimes the publisher publish only one puzzle or 2 puzzles. Yeah, this is the edition of yesterday, Wednesday edition, March 8th. 3 puzzles left: the ladder, Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. In the evening, I will do those 3. But first, let me start with this one. This one, medium Sudoku. Number, well, I've made a mistake in the past. Yeah, I've skipped one number. Yeah, I've skipped number 6053. Otherwise, my playlist will be incomplete with 100 videos. So I will number this with 6053 because I have skipped one number in the past. All right. Let me put that number here. Okay. This one has a number, printed digits, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, which number can I pick? How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 6. I need a 4 here. Okay, 5. How about 9? Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this column, so no 9 and 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. So 2 numbers are left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5. Okay. Then. How about 8? Yeah. 8. Here we have the 4. Okay. The 5 we have there. 9 and 8. 9 and 8. 7, 6. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Shoot me there. 1, 1, and 7. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 3. Wait. 9, 7, 2. Need to think. Come on. 5, 5. Yeah. 4. Need a 1 also. Need a 9. 5. 1. 3. 4. 6. 8 should be here. 7 should be here. 6 should be here. And a 4 should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers. Well, let me start with 2. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this row, so no 6 and a 7 in these two boxes. We have also a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in those two boxes. And we have also so the 6 and a 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. And look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. So the 7 should be here in one of those two boxes. And we have a 4 in this column. Last column, 4 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be the together with the 7 as a pair. So we have a 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Alright. So what are these 3 missing numbers then? In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. 1 and the 2, we have a pair. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Yeah. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes. And then here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. Here we have a 5, need a 5 there, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in the third column. No 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 4 and the 2, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And 8 in the third column, the 8 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. 1, 1, 4. Yeah. I'm thinking. The 9, 6 and 4. 7. Come on. This is taking too long. 7 in this last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Then 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. And look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. You see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3, 9, and the 6, 9, and the 6. Well, need to wait. 8 and the 6. We have an 8 here in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, finishing 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. Yeah, definitely 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I will do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Alright, thank you. Oh, by the way, this told you earlier, I've skipped the number, so this is 6053, but in the evening I will continue with my the correct numbers. Bye bye for now.